name is Helen Murugi Wahome, the business development person for Nairobi Women's in the Rift Valley region. This is my colleague,
Christopher Manyange.
Yeah, and we are so glad to be here today for this free medical checkup in Kisii that is sponsored by the Office of the Second Lady, Madam Dr. Rigadi Dorcas. So today we're here to not only partner with the county and the Office of the Second Lady, but we also come in to share good news to the Kisii people that are from the Rift Valley all the way to Lake Victoria. We help and we serve the community. We have a college, so we do not only treat, but we also train doctors, that is nurses, theater technologists, medical records, and also patient attendants. So our college is in Nairobi, and May intake is ongoing. Then we also celebrating cervical cancer month. We training people on cervical cancer. We help give vaccinations to girls between the age of 10 and 14 years to prevent the cancer virus, that is the HPV. So also we have nine different branches in the whole country where we see every type of specialist. Whether you need orthopedic, whether you need gynecology, whether you need pediatricians, you need surgicals, dental, opticals, all our branches cater for that. And all of them are 24 hours. Apart from that, we are known for GVRC. That is, we take care of any gender-based violence victim. But for us, we do not call them victims, we call them survivors. So if you know anyone who has been sodomized, who has been raped, who has been in any way been violated because of their gender or age, bring them to us. We do not charge. We help them recover, and then we rescue them.
Asa Marieta Ngorogo Christopher, very Manyange. In them na Umunas, Okodara Nairobi Women's Hospital, Branch, Nakuru, CBD and Highlands. Sinyagitari chintobuate chibran as Nairobi Women's tobuate chibranches Kianda. Mere Mombasa, yende nchile Nairobi bere. Ele kuruku Halingam, yende kuruku Kitengera. Tobuate Naivasha, Watuara na Nakuru. Nakuru tobuate ibere, alafu ekoro ku Nakuru CBD na Highlands. Nande ko ira ndia Abaugusii minto mnambi ya mono mwachire wa korde nyagitari to ya Nairobi Women na ngadiego kolegasi nande ya beta sponsor na Sobat we mo deputy ito kwa tanga stage nurses to kwa kanande mnambi ya mono Simba sinyo kwa turangeni.
Asanteni sana akina mama
diaspora para Nakuru lakini na chase county yane mna watu rangere